In this video, I'll show you how to get approved inside Jvzoo. This is especially important for people who haven't started making any kind of sales inside Jvzoo or have just created an account. So after you've selected the product you want to promote, how do you get approved as a newbie marketer? Just click on the affiliate details, and Jvzoo will take you inside the product creator's profile. You will see here that there is a request permission button. You need to fill out the form to request permission to promote the product. Just like in Warrior Plus, you can tell them how you want to promote this particular offer, your traffic method, details about your list, if any, and you just have to wait for approval. A cool trick to use is telling them that you've been selling in a different affiliate marketplace like Warrior Plus, and you are new to Jvzoo, so you already got a list, When I started, I was very honest. I told them that I haven't tried selling as an affiliate marketer, but here's the thing. I'll be selling it. Yeah, that's not gonna work.